In this video, we're going to cover how to create quizzes within your Panopto videos. To get started, first navigate in Panopto to the video you would like to add a quiz to. Click on the Edit button. Once you're in the Edit menu, click on Quizzes on the left-hand side. And then pick out the point in the video you would like to add a quiz to. It might be best to put all of your questions near the end of the video as a formative assessment on the content that was given to your students throughout the video. Once you have selected where you would like your questions to be, click on Add a Quiz in the top left corner. Once on this screen, you can choose the question type. Right now, the only options are true and false, multiple choice, and multiple select. Once you've selected your question choice, write your question and answers in the appropriate boxes. For multiple choice and multiple select questions, you have the option to add an answer, and you can add as many answers as you like. To select the correct answer, fill in the circle selector next to the correct answer. After you typed your first question, you can add another question that would appear immediately after your students answered the first question. And simply repeat the process of filling in the question and answer boxes. After you've added all the questions you would like in your quiz, click on Done in the bottom right. On this next screen, you can choose from a few different quiz settings that Panopto has. You want to check to make sure that the quiz is appearing at the correct point in the video. You also have a couple other options. You can choose to uncheck these or check them as you please. If you have this bottom option checked, block advancing in the video until answering the quiz, the viewer cannot watch anything in the video that is past the quiz point until they have completed the quiz. Once you've selected all your settings, click on Finish, and then click Publish at the top of the page. Now when you scrub to that point in the video, you will get the quiz prompt. Once you've created your quiz in Panopto, go to your Blackboard course and navigate to the area in your course you would like the video to appear. Once you're here, click on Assessments and Panopto Assessment. On this page, you'll want to give your video a name. Next, scroll down a little bit and click Yes for Enable Evaluation. Once you do this, you will see an area where you can input the number of points you would like your video quiz to be worth. It's important to note that Blackboard will read each quiz question in Panopto as 1 point and then turn those points into a percentage. That percentage will then be turned back into points based on the number of points you tell Blackboard the quiz is worth. So for example, in Panopto, you have a quiz with 3 questions. In Blackboard, you say this quiz is worth 10 points. Students get 2 out of 3 questions correct. This then would be marked as 6.66 out of 10 in the gradebook. After hitting Submit, Blackboard will take you back to the content area that you have put the quiz in. From here, click on the link that you just created. The next screen will ask you which video you would like to add as a quiz in your Blackboard. Use the drop-down menu at the top to navigate to the folder where the quiz you would like to add is located. Click the checkbox next to your video, and then click Insert at the bottom right. After clicking Insert, you will have successfully linked the video quiz in Panopto to Blackboard. Once your students click on the link, they will be taken to your video quiz. If you have linked a video quiz to your Blackboard gradebook, you will notice there is a new column in the gradebook that has been created for the video quiz. However, that column will not actually show you which questions your students got right or wrong. To view this information, you need to go back to the Panopto video quiz and click on Settings. In the Settings menu, click on Quiz Results on the left side of the screen. The detailed quiz results will show you student-by-student results from the quiz, as well as allow you to download the quiz results as a CSV file.